My name is Prashanjit Badra, the founder and CEO of Ranial Systems. Over the last 10 years, we have been working constantly building a technology that can converge the power of artificial intelligence with industrial Internet of Things. So we invented the cognitive IoT and the first commercial grade solution that can enable AI at the edge of the network. In the sense, at the point of action, we could allow AI to kind of detect any specific challenges and opportunities with the operational environment. Headquartered in New York City, Ranial System is dedicating its IP and patented invention in developing the next generation clean energy automations and smart grid systems. Our R&D and innovations are funded by some of the prestigious grants offered by organizations like National Science Foundation and IEEE over the last couple of years. As we are riding through the innovation curve of developing the next generation resilient and reliable clean energy infrastructure such as long duration storage, electric vehicle infrastructure, as well as the new generation renewable energy plants, we are also witnessing significant challenges to meet our sustainability goal by 2030. We would like to achieve 80% of our energy coming from the renewable sources by 2030, but at the same time, the typical utility or grid infrastructure is not designed to support bidirectional energy flow in a vertically aligned grid ecosystem. There is a steady increase in the peak demand year on year, and some of the latest inclusion within the energy ecosystem, such as electric vehicles, significantly rising the energy demands. Moreover, the renewable infrastructure that is dependent on weather and the adverse condition is not only impacting the way the generation is happening, it's also significantly impacting the demands across the value chain. Inspired by the challenges and opportunities in the clean tech automation space, we have blended our IP and patented invention into a software as a service solution for intelligent energy management and asset management. The current DR management solution that we have designed is primarily addressing the challenges with the latency and inefficiency of human interventions and manually controlled energy dispatch operations across the DR connected energy distribution value chain. The AI-powered automation is also enabling autonomous detecting of security and safety concerns and helping the system to avoid any catastrophic failure. The current system is deployed in both in front of the meter and behind the meter use cases, catering towards the condition-based monitoring, predictive maintenance, as well as the autonomous energy dispatch operations for frequency response and renewable ramping and ramp smoothing purposes. Our ongoing R&D initiative is focusing on building the next generation cognitive edge computing infrastructure that can embed a system on chip and infusing embedded AI that would have better capabilities of addressing the changing environmental and physical conditions. It would also be more proactive in terms of enabling autonomous operations with the changing request response patterns and delivering the faster messaging back onto the cloud ecosystem. On the other hand, cloud would offer a single pane of glass of managing and monitoring geographically isolated system through a single interface and enabling the proactive and preventive notifications and alarms to multiple channels through an omni-channel ecosystem that would cater towards the web, email, SMS, and mobile in terms of enabling the operators and stakeholders to take more intuitive and informed decision ahead of time. Our ongoing pilots and implementations have achieved significant ROI proof points for our customers in both in front of the meter and behind the meter DR management and microgrid systems. We are able to achieve 5 times more energy efficiency and up to 33% reduction in operating cost by engaging minimum amount of human labor to manage and monitor the geographically distributed and complex DR management operations. The actionable insights have helped our customers to achieve 99% uptime as well as optimize the asset lifecycle value significantly along the process of generation and demand response lifecycle. By following the historical trend of the market growth in DR management and microgrid management software space, the US domestic market will continue to grow at a steady rate of 23% CAGR year on year in next 5 years. Hence, by considering $325 million plus US market potential, Ranial is positioned to serve at least 10% of the market with its unique solution offerings and target minimum of $30 million worth of revenue in next 5 years.